Greetings, foolish mortals. This is Nancy with Team White City Devils with thescarefactor.com, and we are at Nightmare Realm out in Kalamazoo, Michigan. We're here tonight and we're checking out Nightmare Realm in their 2024 season. Without further ado, let's go check it out.
Okay. Thank you for being
Enjoy our lovely town.
I have to.
Guys!
So, hi. I'm Princess Little Sister Theo. Not a brat. Not a brat. I'm going to tell you a little bit about her. One, she's extremely annoying. Like, so annoying.
It all began with the voices. In my world, they were always there, at first tormenting me, making me question all that was real. But once I was able to open my mind, they guided me. Away from the heartache, away from the anger, away from fresh hollow. One act, one ugly, hateful act was all it took to open the portal. And now those who called to me are flesh and bone. It was time to mold this world to what I held true. Terror and suffering. The creatures of the realm use the people's fear to drain them of their lives. My hold on this place grows with time. I feel connected in so many ways. Soon I will consume this entirety. You will bear witness to me. It is time to join and experience my retribution.
Okay, we'll let her know. Oh my God! Hi. Ah!
Stay. You let my children feast on you. They won't eat much.
You're so cute. Oh my God! Hello. Hi. Oh, this is cool.
This is old.
I think,
Hey!
Whoa!
Who's there?
Hi.
It's like my grandma's house.
Why
are you in my house?
I don't know. I don't know what we're doing.
Just walking through my home?
Yeah.
Get out! Watch your head!
This is a good. It's like 70 degrees out. This is perfect.
You took it from me, didn't you?
What did I take?
You took my Johnny.
Johnny?
He's mine. Just to promise me.
Oh no, I don't know about Johnny. We'll go find Johnny. Oh God.
Please, I can barely see a thing. Yes, it's in my eyes. Please help
Uh-oh,
me.
the acid. Cover
The
your eyes.
acid? Oh. Ooh. Oh no. What's going on? Let us speak.
How'd you get back here? Come on, this way, it's not safe. Trista already saw you, it's too late to turn back. Keep it moving.
Damn.
Let's go.
Hi!
Hi.
What's wrong?
I got scared.
Why did you get scared?
You did a great job scaring me. I love your crown.
You
No,
should.
I love your
Come
crown.
by and say my crown is wrong, and I don't know why.
It's a great crown. I love it.
I think my crown's okay.
It's beautiful. I
Sure
love
my
it.
crown's okay.
It's beautiful.
Promise?
Yes.
Pinky?
Yes, Pinky.
Good.
Someone's hanging?
Where do you think you're going?
I have no idea. That way.
Where's your homework?
I haven't done it.
Obviously. Where's your homework?
Dog ate it.
That is the lamest excuse ever.
It's the truth this time.
I don't care. Do you know how many times I've heard it tonight?
3?
Over 50.
Jeez.
I should punish you extra for this. This way.
51.
51 now.
Help me, please. I need help. I want you to help me. Nobody helps me. Please, get me out of here, please.
Hello!
Hi!
Have you come to receive my slave from the lair?
Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah.
Oh, it's wonderful!
Woo!
My friend here enjoyed his burning. I'm sure you will too.
Yeah.
Come on.
Ooh.
It's okay.
Boy, it smells fresh in here.
Are you guys hungry? Come on! I know it smells good.
That's a big
Hey!
whisk.
Be quiet! Stop walking with your mouth open.
Okay. Oh my god.
You here for the team?
For varsity?
No! No! You're going on the cheer team, buddy.
Oh.
Oh.
For you, though!
Only if I
Okay.
could go on the top of the pyramid.
Top of the pyramid. Bob shaking. Cute little skirt. You're going to need to
Okay. Oh god. Hello. You can do that.
That was pretty good.
Oh god.
Don't linger. She bites.
Oh. Oh.
Smoking?
Yeah? Got a problem with it? I asked you a question.
What
Do you
was
have
your
a problem
question?
with it?
We'll have to go to the dean and ask him, I think.
You think I care?
Yeah, screw that. Let's smoke.
That's cute.
Anything I could get.
If you're so lonely, I can stick you next to Trista's corpse up in the silo.
Oh, I seen it. You did that?
Yeah, you like it? It's my best
Whoa,
friend.
you did that? Dean's gonna know.
Oh, Dean's gonna know.
I'm gonna tattle.
Are you gonna tattle, are you? You're so cute. Oh my gosh, get out of my face.
I'm cute. Dean. Dean! Have fun smoking.
Oh god. No, that's not the way. Oh god, that's not the way. Maybe let's go
not?
this way.
Let's
Or
get-
that way?
Doesn't say different.
No.
Someone
that's-
else went back here. I think this is the way.
Oh, is it the way?
Is it?
I guess we'll figure it out.
Trista.
Oh no.
Why are you trying to leave me?
Am I? Yeah, I guess I am.
Oh my god. Oh man. Oh, we're
Little
lost.
pumpkins.
It is cute, right?
Oh no, is this a dead end for real?
It is a dead end, yes.
Ay, ay, ay. This looks like somewhere new.
This looks like it. Yay!
You leave me!
Took us a little while. We stuck around for a bit.
Not long enough!
I guess you're right.
There's a spider!
Wow.
Oh my god!
Oh no.
Oh, not the spider in the
Mama was
eye!
always a kind woman. A meal for the hungry, a bed for the weary was her motto. Now we have opened her mind.
Oh my god!
In the
That's
fridge.
gnarly.
Snap.
Okay.
Damn, Grady! Oh man.
Oh man.
Looks like that would feel good.
Oh my god. Hi!
You don't look like one of Mabel's dolls. Why
No,
don't you
we're not
stay?
a doll.
Be here with me and my walls.
That looks like a. Oh my gosh.
Oh god.
Really went to town.
Yeah, you really did. Wait. Ooh,
That's
that
not
gave me the
creepy.
chills.
Like that's not creepy at
That
all.
really oh, we're festive. Oh god. Oh no. Hey, look at this guy. Oh my god. Hi, Skelly. Oh my god. Hi. It's Trista again.
Poor Trista, dude.
Oh my god. What happened? Oh, oh. And we're going in there. Perfect. Oh no. Oh!
Patience, alright? Step right here.
Stop. You're not allowed to leave.
Oh, okay.
Past my test.
Okay.
This box, this switch, flip it up and down once, and then you get to leave. You have to dance though. If you don't dance good enough, you don't get to leave. I said this switch, not that one. Now you broke that stuff over there. I said the right switch, guys. This switch right here. Stop breaking my stuff, or I will take your eyes with this spoon. Turn this switch up and down, and then dance. Hey, come on! There you go. Now dance.
Look at the
Barbie girl! Hey, don't leave. I don't want to see your face.
Oh, thank you.
Bye.
Bye.
That's up.
Oh my God!
Where'd you get that?
I found it in there. That's what happens when they get lost.
Oh.
the hell?
And do some light reading? Yeah.
Library, what are you screaming?
Oh yeah, that's right. It's oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh. Oh God.
Dealing with.
Oh. Oh.
Uh-oh.
Uh-oh, that's us.
Oh, jeez. Oh.
I know why you're here tonight. We must live
Bye, Trista. Is it me or do they make her look more grittier now? Like time has progressed and she's decomposing more.
True.
Right? Yeah, it was this one.
Nice.
And it was, huh?